Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Fidelity to TradingView. While a direct trading integration isn't available, you can still leverage TradingView's powerful charting tools with your Fidelity account. We'll explore how to use TradingView for in-depth analysis, and then execute your trades seamlessly within the Fidelity platform. This approach allows you to benefit from both services, enhancing your overall trading experience and decision-making. Many traders wonder why they can't directly trade from TradingView through Fidelity. The primary reason is that Fidelity does not currently provide a public API that allows third-party platforms like TradingView to send trade orders directly. TradingView integrates with a select number of brokers for direct execution, but Fidelity is not among them. This limitation is due to Fidelity's specific platform design and security protocols. Even without direct trading, TradingView remains an invaluable tool for analysis. You can access comprehensive, real-time market data, apply various technical indicators, and perform detailed analysis on any stock or asset. While you'll execute your actual trades on Fidelity, TradingView provides a superior environment for identifying potential opportunities and meticulously planning your trading strategies with precision. Here's a practical workflow to maximize both platforms. First, conduct all your technical analysis and research on TradingView. Utilize its advanced charts to identify potential trades and determine your precise entry and exit points. Once you've confirmed your strategy, switch over to your Fidelity account. There, you can confidently place your buy or sell orders. This two-step process ensures you get the best of both worlds: advanced analysis and secure execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.